Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee, and today I'm going to show you how to make this AE86 cake from Initial D. I've made several card cakes on my channel and I'm always looking forward to making more. This cake looks fairly simple but have details that make it pretty time consuming. Let's dive in. I printed these templates found online and scaled them to the size I wanted, which is roughly 10 inches long. Here's the side, front, back, and top view. I'm filling a layer of chocolate cake with vanilla buttercream. Spread it evenly and top it off with a second layer of vanilla cake. Next, carve the cake to match the template. I recommend shaving thin layers at a time so you don't take off too much. Remove some on the side. Here's the card crumb coated and ready for the next step. Add a layer of melted ganache. Spread it all over the cake, and we're going for a thick layer here. As the ganache cools, it will solidify and be more of a fudgy consistency. After a bit of shaping, here's our ganache-covered cake. Roll out some black fondant and place it onto the car. This is just for the window, so trim off the extra portion. Dust the black fondant with cornstarch. Remove sections for the wheels. Next, roll out some white modeling chocolate and cover the entire cake. Work quickly, pressing the chocolate against the car so it sticks, and smooth it out. Trim the skirt with a sharp X-Acto knife. Here I'm tucking the edges under the car. Cut out slots for the wheels. Cut out the windows and peel away the white modeling chocolate. Clean the edges. This particular car has black details. Add black strips to the side. Another strip of black parallel to the one above. The rear bumper is simple, just a strip of white wrapped around like this. And the bottom section covered in black fondant. Add the rear lights. More fondant details. Add lines for the headlights. For the wheels, I'm starting with a mold and adding black details for the rim. It turned out a bit messy, but it still looks good from afar. I printed out the Japanese characters on rice paper, cut it out and place onto the car. Same for the rear decals and Initial D license plate. Don't forget the custom fog light. And finally, add the wheels. And here's a completed AE86 cake. I think it turned out way cool, and the proportions look pretty good. If you enjoyed this video, click like and subscribe to stay tuned for more cake tutorials. Until next time, see ya!